Hey everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just was really curious to find out if prepping your skin before applying makeup really makes a difference. So I wanted to do a quick experiment to see if it matters if I moisturize or if I prime, put on eye cream, any of that, or if I could just skip all of that and just throw on some makeup, and if my makeup application will just look the same. So I won't be doing a full face of makeup. I'm just going to be putting on foundation, concealer, powder. I'm going to wear my makeup for a few hours. Then I'm going to come back and just put on makeup without any type of skin prep and see if there's a big difference. So I'm really sorry, y'all, but I just realized I did not have my lights on. And now y'all know I'm fake. I'm going to use two different setting sprays because I normally do that. The first one is NYX Dewy Finish spray. So I'm going to go ahead and spray. Next, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And I'm just going to let it dry. So I'm just gonna let everything dry, and I'm gonna go do some stuff for a few hours and come back on camera to see how my makeup looks. So just so y'all know, I actually left my apartment. I'm going to get some food. I'm going to Chipotle right now. My edges are getting messed up. If you guys, oh my god, oh, that's going back. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw my makeup wipe off, and it is sweating. It is very hot. I'm sweating. Overall, I really like how my foundation looks. It looks very, it looks like my skin. But I'm going to get some food, and I'm going to go clean up a little bit, and I'm going to come back on camera so y'all see how my foundation is holding up. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. It's been a few hours. Just want to show you guys how everything is holding up. So when I was driving to get some food, I was fixing my hair, and I wiped off some of my makeup. I was sweating so much that I wiped off my makeup around my hairline, and I was kind of shocked because, like I said, I used the all-nighter setting spray, and you know that setting spray is supposed to be rocking with you all night. But as far as application goes, I really like how my foundation came out. I think it looks close to flawless. So what we're gonna do is do this whole process tomorrow, bare face without any type of moisturizer or anything underneath it, and we'll see how it looks. Alright y'all, so it is the next day. Today I'm gonna be putting on the same foundation, the same powder, same concealer, all that, except this time I will not be prepping my skin. Okay, so I'm done putting on my foundation, my powder, everything. I don't think it looks bad at all. So I'm gonna go get some groceries. I'm also gonna finish cleaning up my apartment, and then I will be right back. It's actually really nice outside for like a run, but I actually did the So I don't think I can sweat my makeup off today like I did. Like if I wipe my edges, it won't come off just because I'm not sweating. My skin looks really warm right now though. Like, not even joking. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. It's been a few hours and I'm ready to show you guys how my makeup is holding up. It honestly doesn't look bad at all. Now, although my foundation looks decent, there are a few things that I did notice. The first thing is that my skin looks a lot more glowy and dewy. Now, for some people that might be a good thing, but I feel like this glisten is just gonna get more intense as the day goes on. My pores are just gonna show up a lot more because it's just oil kind of like seeping through my makeup rather than a nice glow from whatever product that I have underneath. I don't know if y'all can see right there, but I tried to fix my edges and I did wipe off some foundation. So yeah, this wiped off too. It's a lot cooler today than it was yesterday. So just imagine if I went outside in the same temperature as yesterday, just wearing foundation and nothing else, my makeup would have probably been dripping off my face because it honestly is not hot outside. The wind is blowing, like it's really cool. So with all that being said, do I think skin prep makes a difference before applying makeup? I'm gonna say it makes a difference. I think the biggest difference that it makes is that your foundation, it just looks a lot more flawless. Now, I'm not saying that my foundation looks horrible right now. All I'm saying is that if you don't have time and you could only put on some foundation, go ahead, because not everyone has, you know, an extra 20-30 minutes to do a skin prep routine. I think you'll be okay. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys if you were curious, you know, as to whether skin prep matters or not. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.